Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain what expressions are in computer programming. What is an expression? An expression is any reference to a variable or value or a set of variables and values combined with operators. A variable is basically a container that is used to store values which the program will use, and values are represented by different types of data structures. For example, a number like number 7 is a value. A Boolean value. Boolean values are values that are either true or false. So there can only be two outcomes. Those are known as Boolean values. Also a collection of text, which is also referred to as a string data type. So it's like the text characters strung like a string. So they're referred to as a string in programming. So also you have operators. For example, the addition operator, multiplication operator, assignment operators, all these combined together are what is used to refer to as an expression. Computer program is basically a bunch of statements, and statements are made up of one or more expressions. So let's take a look at a very basic expression. It's a complete statement. This is known as a statement in programming. This here is a JavaScript statement. So this statement basically has 4 expressions inside it. We've got the 7. This is known as a literal value expression. So the number 7 is referred to as a literal value expression. The B is known as a variable expression, which means it basically retrieves its current value. Okay, so a variable expression is used to retrieve its current value. The B times 7 is known as an arithmetic expression, which means it's basically doing something. So it's multiplying this. So B times 7 basically means you're multiplying the value of this by 7. So that's referred to as an arithmetic expression. The value A equals B times 2 is known as an assignment expression. This equals to here is an assignment expression, which means it is used to assign the result of B times 7 to the variable A. Okay, so anywhere you see an equals to sign is known as an assignment expression. It is used to place a value inside a variable. This here, B times 7, this is an expression that basically stands alone, and it is referred to as an expression statement. So expressions are an important part of computer programming. So when you are writing your statements for your computer programs, they are also used to write the statements. Whenever you write statements, you must include various type of expressions. So that's it for this introduction to expressions. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.